When you step out of a subway station into a new city, you often have a quiet internal sense of which way to walk. It's an effortless orientation that helps us find our bearings in unfamiliar spaces. We usually credit our brains for this. We assume we are subconsciously tracking the sun, memorizing street names, or piecing together a mental map based on visual landmarks. But biologists have struggled to find the hardware for this ability. Migratory birds and sea turtles have specialized magnetic sensory organs built into their heads to detect the Earth's pull. Humans have no such sensors in our skulls. This creates a mystery. If we lack the biological sensors to detect magnetic fields, how does our subconscious mind keep us so precisely calibrated to our place in space? The answer lies away from our brain. It turns out we have outsourced our internal compass to a collective of foreign entities living deep within our stomachs. To see how this works, we have to scale down into the fluid, shifting environment of the human intestinal tract. Within this biome lives a highly specialized microbe known as magnetotactic bacteria. These organisms are the actual architects of our spatial awareness. The bacterium pulls dietary iron, synthesizing it into iron-oxide crystals inside its cell wall. These crystals snap together into a rigid chain, forming an internal compass needle. The Earth's magnetic pull acts as a lever, forcing the microbe to align with the planetary field. Your gut operates as a vast biological reservoir, holding billions of these independent microscopic compass needles that twitch and align every time you move. A compass in the gut only works if the central nervous system can read the data. There must be a physical connection that carries these signals to the brain. This connection is the vagus nerve, a biological data cable wiring the intestinal tract to the brainstem. When you turn, the bacteria pivot, triggering electrical impulses that travel up this nerve. Bypassing conscious thought, these signals route directly into subconscious spatial processing centers. All of this is choreographed by the Earth's magnetic field. The planetary force generated by the spinning core is what constantly pulls at those microscopic iron chains in your stomach. This completes a circuit, from the planet's molten core, through iron crystals in your gut, up the vagus nerve, and into your mind. Human spatial awareness relies on this uninterrupted hardware connection between the center of the Earth and the subconscious. We often treat direction as a purely cognitive achievement of the human brain. In reality, spatial orientation is a symbiotic relationship. We are dependent upon the mechanical alignment of our internal microbiome to tell us where we are. This hidden pathway links a physical behavior of single cells in the gut directly to the physics of planetary navigation. These microscopic organisms physically tether our bodies to the forces of the planet. Our basic perception of reality and our placement in the world are continuously co-authored by the bacteria we carry inside us.